everyone, welcome to Keeping Up with Linda. Today I'm going to talk about Pampas grass. Pampas grass is an invasive, resilient, beautiful grass. Its plumage has been used all over the world for decor purposes, and I happen to have it in my garden. So today I'm going to show you how to harvest it. Harvesting Pampas grass can be tricky because it's a quite aggressive plant and it will cut you. So make sure you cover all parts of your body. This. Hopefully this is good enough. Gloves. That's a must. I have my pruning scissors. I think I'm ready. Let's do it. So this one here, look at this beautiful plumage. This is how you want to harvest your pampas grass. And the forecast calls for rain, so I'm going to harvest it before it rains. That's a no good one, you see that? So this particular bunch here bloomed before those other ones. And it got rained on. So it's now kind of ugly and bunched up over here. See, it's not soft and silky like it should be. So yeah, that's why it's important to harvest it before the rain comes, or you have to keep an eye on it when they're open, just like these ones here, nice and beautiful. That's when you want to harvest your pampas grass. I want to make sure that I cut the stem long enough. Here's our first victim. So cute. For now I just shake them a little just to get rid of any loose seeds or anything that's loose, and then I'll take care of it inside. This is so much fun. Wow, they're so beautiful. This is just so pretty. And there's different shades too, eh? So I'm not going to harvest everything because obviously I still want the grass to look good. So I'll be cutting a few more, yeah, that's for sure. So like I said, it's a very resilient plant. We keep cutting it every year and it keeps coming back. And this is what we get every year. This beautiful sight. So I harvested all of this, quite a lot. And when we look at the plant, it's as if nothing happened. It still looks gorgeous. So resilient. Pampas grass. So now I need to clean it up and dry it in the shade. Let's do it. Trim the stems to the desired length. I'm gonna leave some with long stems and some with shorter stems because it all depends on the vase that we're gonna use to put these in. So if the vase is a big one, a deep one, you need long stems, because some are already long and some are already short. I'll select them and separate them like that. As you can see here, The seeds are still inside there. So carefully, I'm going to remove this, hopefully without destroying the pampas. Oh, that's it. And you just loosen it carefully like that. All right, it's free now. I didn't want to cut myself, but it looks like I'll do a better job without gloves. There's so many layers. So the best way is to start from the bottom and work your way up. This one is shedding quite a bit, so I'm gonna give it a good shake. So chances are that I don't need all this stem, like all this length, but just in case, we can always trim it later. I'd rather have more than less, and it gets pretty. These are my short ones, these are my long ones. This is so lovely. I love it. It's so cute. This is how you want your pampas grass. Nice, fluffy, bright, beautiful, healthy. This one here, I was a bit late harvesting it, and as you can tell, it's dark, it's dead, you know, kind of gone. However, I'm still gonna keep it because for a smaller arrangement, as you can see, towards the end, it's nice and healthy and fluffy and full. So for a smaller arrangement, I can always cut it here and still use this part. As long as it doesn't shed too much, it's okay. Look how it is inside. It's kind of wet, so maybe it got some water. I'm gonna try to loosen it and see how it looks. I didn't know. It smells good. I didn't know there was an aroma to it. It smells good. We'll see if I save it or if I just save this part here. For now, I'm gonna save it. So from each knot starts a new leaf. First knot, second knot, and like right here starts this leaf. Wow. All of this just for one leaf. So 1, 2, 3, right away another one. This is labor intense. Wow. And strong. Whew. And the thing is, if you start from the top, you might break it. So it's a good idea to put it upside down and start from the bottom. Trust me, I learned from experience. I broke a couple. I think we're done here. Last one. So I have 3 batches. I have the super long ones here. I have the shorter ones. And then I have the super healthy ones. So now I'm going to tie them up and hang them upside down for a couple of weeks to dry. And then we'll go to the next step. So now we're going to leave the pampas here drying upside down in a dry air place for about 2 to 3 weeks. It's been about 3 weeks, and let's check on the pampas. Let's see how dry it is, if it's ready for using. Oh, it's nice and soft. Yeah, it seems to be ready. There's a lot of seeds on the floor that fell off the pampas, and I'm gonna give it a very good shake to make sure everything falls now before I actually use it as an arrangement. And then I'll be selecting a few to make an arrangement. Give it a good shake. They're all beautiful, but you know, some of them are just special. All the shedding is just little seeds. Okay, so I may have enough for what I want for now. This darker area here, it's all full of seeds still. So you can either use it as it is, it will shed probably a little bit still, or you can just, you know, leave it there hanging for a while and wait for all the seeds to come off. Alright, so I've selected a few. I'm gonna try to open them up with the blow dryer. Try to open them up as much as I can, and at the same time it'll shed any extra seeds that there might be. And then I'll be using a little bit of hairspray to hold them in place. So whatever falls now, fine. Whatever it doesn't, hopefully it doesn't fall off after, because otherwise it'll make a mess. So let's see how this goes. Just take a look. I think it needs a bit more to open it up a little bit more, but it's pretty good. So fluffy. So some of them, because they still have the seeds in them, they remain kind of heavy, not as fluffy. But I don't dislike it. I kind of like this color, and you know, you can tell that the little seeds are still there. So if the hairspray keeps them in place, why not? They're really pretty. Look how long these things are. So cute. So the idea now is to use one of these clay pots to create a Pampas arrangement. Whoa, stop. So for now I'm just trying it out. See if I should leave them really nice and tall or shorter. What looks better? The taller ones are too tall. I don't want them that tall, I don't think. And it looks like I need more. But that's not a problem, I have plenty. What do you say now? Let's balance it. Looks pretty good. Okay, so it's hairspray time. Hopefully the hairspray will stop them from shedding and it'll keep them nice for a while. Now I need to go kind of one by one with the hairspray. So this is it. This is the look for now. I can always change it. I can always cut them shorter and create a different look. But for now, I kind of like it like that. I'm just loving it. It's beautiful. All this plumage. Oh, this is amazing. Very, very fluffy. This is is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, share, like, and do not forget to keep up with Linda. All right? Ciao! So much plumage. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. This is so soft. So soft. I had so much fun with these.